Okay, welcome back. Part three. Okay, so part three, we're going to talk about what is a strategy. What is a strategy? There's different names for it. Some people call it a strategy. Some people call it a method. Some people call it rules and regulations. So ultimately, what is a strategy? What is it you are trading? Besides getting the tools to trade, besides understanding how to utilize those tools to trade, you have to have a strategy to get in and out. And then what is a strategy? A strategy is a set of rules that allows you to place your entry, buy or sell, in a specific type of market, whether it be stocks, whether it be equities, whether it be forex, whether it be precious metals, oil, whatever it is. You need a strategy that will allow you to enter the market and exit the market in profit. Okay, and if you run into a loss, how do you manage the loss? All right, and we'll get around what it means to be a trader when it comes to strategy versus what else you need, like emotions. That plays a big part when you come to trading. Okay, so here we're talking about strategy only. So a strategy is a set of rules. These rules are gonna play a part. For example, if you take this is not an area I trade, so I'm just going to use this as an example because I know a little bit of different strategies, right? So let's take, what are some of the rules? Let's take SNR, for example. SNR means you're going to put a line at the top of your chart, which is the previous day high, and that's going to be your resistance, and then you're going to put a line at the bottom of the chart, the previous day low, and that's going to be your support, and you're going to wait for the market to either break the support or break the resistance, and you're going to see a pullback, and then you're going to enter the market. These are rules. You put a line, you wait for the market to do a specific thing, and then you apply your entries. Okay, so you need to be sure that the strategy is working for you and that the rules are comfortable for you to understand and within your timeline, within your time frame in your country. Why I say time frame? Some people might want to trade the New York session or the London session. Okay, before I go there, the strategy you're going to select as well, understand whether it works in all sessions or it works in the Asian session or the New York session or the London session, and that as well will help you to make a decision on the strategy. So if you select a strategy and it only works in the London session, but the London session is 1 a.m. your time, you don't wake up at 1 a.m. half groggy trying to look at the chart to mark your zones out and then enter the market when you are half asleep. You need to be refreshed. You need to be thinking clearly. This is money you're playing with. Okay, so the strategy you select as well got to be aligned. So hang in there, guys. I think it's going to be a part 4